Good morning to everybody, and I'm here to explain about the QRT composition in a Python program. In this, input numpy as empty. Using the numpy is a Python library that is inputted and are stored as a short name empty. Short name empty. A variable A is created and input. In this form, we get the input from the user. Enter the matrix C. It gets an input, and if it takes any input in any format and changes to the input, it in this np array the data type equals float. In this, the numpy it is changes to a numpy in array format and into a float format. Data type as a float, A matrix. Change the A matrix into a float format. The n comma n is equal to a dot shape. A dot shape is a return type which gives the rows in the column of the given matrix A. In this matrix is this value is stored in m and n correspondences of the rows and columns. The q equal to np.0 n comma n. This means that np.0 creates a matrix of zeros and store in a form in a rows and columns of m and n comma n and store that in a q. And in R, NP0 create a matrix of zeros with a n comma n. That means this is in this n is stored in the column. So column coordinates for j in range n semicolon. In this, where for is a loop where j is a number that has 0, 1, 2, 3 that iterates still the n number of times. Where v is a variable like a vector in this a semicolon comma j. This means that in this A matrix, the particular row will be chosen of the particular column. And particular every in this column, every row will be given and stored in the value of vector. For I in range, for is a loop, and I is another 0, 1, 2, 2, and it means till the j variable. Till the j variable. R I comma j in this np dot q semicolon comma I. In this np dot means that it is a dot product of the vector. So this return the dot product of q colon I, a colon comma I. This is the will be stored in a r I comma j and b equals b minus, and this is called as a projection, and this minus the value from the v and stored it again in a v to change it changes the value. And rj comma j in this lp dot lng. This is a linear algebra dot norm. This will give the values and show that in rj comma j and q colon comma j equals v slash r j comma j. In this, it is a it gives a unit vector and show the vector in the q colon comma j. In this print some Q matrix. In this only prints the word Q matrix for row in Q. For is a matrix. For, for is a loop. In this row. Row is a I that will be iterated till Q number of times. In this print column row that will be printed Q number of times per row with the space before. And the same will happen in the print R matrix. In the print R matrix, first print the R matrix, and then for row in a matrix, it will iterate the row for a R number of times, and print the column row for a with the space before it for the R number of times. Thank you.